Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to this session number 422. And today we have this problem is the daily challenge. Here appeared that I solved this problem, but again I didn't remember. But I want to check where in July, a half of a year. And I tried it a few times. Okay, well, whatever. Number of ways to split the array. Oh, come on. You are given a zero index integer array nums of the length n. Nums contains a valid split at index I if the following are true. The sum of the first plus one element is greater than or equal to the sum of the last n less I less one elements. There is at least one element to the right of I that's it. That is 0 minor equal I and I minor at that n less 1. Okay, I don't understand. Let me check the examples. 10, 4, is 8, and 7. The number of splits is 2. There are 3 ways of splitting nums into 2. No, okay. Split nums at the index 0, that is 10. Then the first part is 10 and its sum is 10. The second part is 4 less 8, it's equal less 4. Less 4 plus 7, it's equal 3. And its sum is 3. Since that 10 is greater equal 3, I is equal 0 is a valid split. The other split nums at the index 1. Then the first part is 14 and the second part is less 1. In this case 14 is greater than less 1 and the I it's the index is equal 1. And split nums at the index 2, that is less 8. The sum is 6, the second part is 7 and its sum is 7. Since 6 minus 7, I is equal 2 is not valid split. Okay, now here are 2, 3, 1 and 0. The left side should have a greater element than the right side. In this case 1 could we have this. I am not checking this, okay? I am only checking this example. In this case I can split here, and because 2 plus 3 is equal 5 and 5 is greater than 1. Or another is here in the 1. 2 plus 3 is equal 5 plus 1 is equal 6 and 6 is greater than 0. And okay, let me check. There are 2 valid split nums. Index 1, Okay, the constraints, I understand. The constraints is nums length, it's at least 2 elements, and maximum this. The value of every element in the array is negative and positive. Okay, y ese es el acceptar rate. Ok. 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 Okay, now I think that we need to know all the time what is the sum of the right side. In this case, I think that we can use the prefix sum for know this value all the time. Yeah, in this case, for example, this is our current number. Yeah, much better. And now, for example, if I am here, I need to know what is the sum, what is the total of the this. And this is easily if we know the prefix sum. In this case is 2, 5, 2, 5, 6, 6. Okay. And for example, for know what is the sum of the, for example, this element is easy. It's only take the last less the current. The current prefix sum in this case is 4. Yeah, so you see it's 3 plus 1 4 plus 0 4. Another example is like for example here, what is the sum of these elements? Well, in essential is take the last, that is itself, less the current prefix, it's equal 0. Another example is for example with this, in this case is 6, that is the last, less 5, it's equal 1. Yeah, and do you see it's only 1. Okay, I think that the first step is do this prefix sum, and next to it's only move to the next, move to the next, move to the next until this side is greater. No, in which moment I need to stop. For example, here it's valid. Okay, this is valid. 6 less 2 is equal 4. 4 is greater than 2. No, okay, move to the next. 6 less 5 it's equal 1. 5 is greater than 1. Yeah, okay, move to the next. 6 that is this less 6 it's equal 0. 6 is greater than 0. Yeah, move to the next. But in which moment I need to stop? Where if the right side okay 2 4 1 9 7 and for example the prefix sum of this is 2 6 7 16 and in this case 23. Yeah, in this case is 23 less 2 it's equal 21. This side is minor than this. Okay, move to the next. The next is 23 less is 6, it's equal 17. 6 is greater than 17. No, okay, move to the next. It's not enough. Now it's here 23 less 16. This is equal 16 is 4 is 7, right? and 7, sorry, 16 is greater than 7. Yeah, we have 1. Okay, I think that we need to perform this operation until reach the final of the element, of the array, sorry. Now here, you know what, I will update the size of this. Yeah, I think that is much better right now. Okay, the first is I think that it's not necessary create a copy, because on the final it doesn't matter this value itself. It's only for, I only need the prefix sum, okay. And for calculate the prefix sum, I need to transversal all the array, and in this case I can apply this operation. Okay, I think that it's enough. Only started this in 1. Meanwhile, I it's minor to nums dot length I plus plus, and next is apply this operation, nums in the index I plus equal nums in the index I less 1, the previous. Okay, and that's it. Now the next is only transversal integer n, no, no, yeah, integer n prefix, yeah, because in this moment I have modified a array like this, and right now I have 5, 6, 6. This is my current array, original array, yeah. And now here is nums. Now the next that is ask if the total that is nums in the position nums dot length less 1, the last, less the current prefix is this, less this, if this, if this 6 less 2, it's equal 4. If 4 it's minor that the prefix, in this case for example 23 less 2, that is the prefix, it's equal 21. 21 it's minor that 2, no, in this case for example is 23 less 16, it's equal 7. 16 it's no, yeah, it's okay. This should be greater. In this case is result, integer result, it's equal 0, and here it's result plus plus, and that's it. What is happening here? Nums. Is for the last. Is for the last. Here I need to change this by integer I it's equal 0, meanwhile I it's minor that nums dot length less 1, I plus plus, and Mm-hmm. Mm. It's a minor equal. Sum of the first element is greater than or equal. Ah, yeah. Equal. Mm. Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. 100 of 101. Hmm. Mm, maybe it's for the symbols. Let me check. All the numbers are negative. I think that. Uh-huh. Now here, come on, here. Um, less 3, less 5, less 1, less 6, less 11, less 21, less 3. Sorry. Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. No, it's not for this. Okay, got it. I think that maybe it's not the value. Okay, it's only for as a test. Copy it's equal new long of the size nums dot length, and here instead of this well, obviously copy in the index 0 it's equal result in the index 0 2, and here instead of this is result nums, it's nums here, and here is copy copy. Copy, 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 copy. What? This is wrong. It's equal to nums in the position I plus copy. Yeah, it's for this. It's for the longs. Okay. Okay. Before to create a solution, I want to see what is my previous approach. Well, it's much more simple here. Okay, but it's because I am calculating the total. Mm, yeah. Okay, I think that it's the same here. Maybe I am saving a little space, but it's only that. Okay, I will publish. Simple solution using prefix Java. Oh no, it's not this. What? Submission. Simple solution using prefix sum. Yeah. Okay, it's time to publish. Number of ways. Okay, I think that it's an easy problem. This. What else? I do. Oh, I attended both. Okay, I feel that this is mathematical. Um, hmm, hmm. Okay, I have time that I didn't solve binary problems. Binary tree. Mm, okay, let me check this. Given the root of binary rotunde in order transversal of its nodes. Now, okay, this is the first unique binary search tree. Okay. Mm, okay, unique binary search trees. Given an integer n, return the number of the structurally unique binary search tree which had exactly n nodes of unique values from 1 to n. What? In this case, n is equal 3. Okay, okay. Um, well, mm, for example, if I put 10, I think that is more calculus and no simulation. What is the Catalan number? Okay, I can reproduce YouTube because copyright. Uh, uh, um, okay, I think that I need to check this. Uh, the Catalan numbers are a sequence of the natural numbers that occurs in various counting problems, often involving recursively defined objects. They are named after Eugene Catalan through the French. Okay, French. Through they were previously discovered in by Mingat. The nth Catalan number can be expressed directly in terms of the central binomial coefficients by Cn it's equal 1 between n plus 1. 2n factorial between n plus 1 factorial and factorial. Catalan number. No. Okay. They count certain types of lattice paths, permutation, binary trees, and many other combinatorial objects. Reference relation and have the cross formula in terms of the minimal coefficient. Cn 1 between n plus 1. 1 plus 1, in this case is 2, 1 between 2, it's equal 1. Now with the 2 is 1 between 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 between 3. Interesting. The number of valid parentheses expression that consists of n right parentheses and n left parentheses is equal to the nth Catalan number. For example, C3 it's equal 5 and there are 5 ways to create a valid oh wow, I really didn't know about this number or this formula. But I need an okay, I save this example. I need an example. Okay. 2n factorial count the number of expression contains n pairs of parentheses that are correctly matched. For n it's equal 3. Why 3? 5, 6. Possible expression are this, and this. Count the number of possible. No, this is my problem. No. No. Pictorial numbers are non-negative integers are set of number rise 3 numeration prototype. Yeah, but what is the problem? Yeah, but I need to a clear example about the Catalan numbers because uh, the number of valid parentheses expression for n pairs of uh, 1 between n plus 1 or this is equal multiply by is multiplied by 2n. Okay, in this case is 2n factorial between n plus 1 factorial multiplied by n factorial. For 4 pairs of parentheses it's equal n4 4 pairs. Okay, in this case is 8 parentheses because it's 4 pairs multiplied by 2. Okay, here is 1 between 4 plus 1 multiplied by 8 4. No, this is the my answer. Okay, okay, in this case I need to replace this. Okay, I will copy this and paste here. Okay. Okay. In this case, number of parentheses. The formula is okay for 4 tails. In this case, for example, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is 4 pairs and is 8 this. Okay, this parenthesis. Now in this case, I don't understand this. Okay. Okay, 2n 2 multiplied by n, in this case n it's equal 4, and the factorial in this case is 4 plus 1 factorial multiplied by n factorial. In this case is 8, and here is 4 plus 5 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 4 okay. Yeah, that is exactly this. Okay. Okay, for example, here, if I replace the formula that is this, I will copy this. Copy image. Oh, too much. Okay, here. In this case, n is equal 4. N is equal 4. This is here. In okay, the factorial of 4 is no, it's is 8 because it's 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, and the factorial of 8 is okay, I am only between n, that is 4 plus 1, it's equal 5. 5 factorial is 100. Here is 120 multiplied by a factorial of 4, 24. 120 multiplied by 24 is 2880. This is the answer. Okay, now what else? This is the result of this. Okay, this is the result. Now between 2 8 80 it's equal 14. 14. That is this. Okay, now for the okay, I understand this, but now for the binary tree, the rules are that this should be greater than the left element, and this should be, you know what? This is should be minor, and this is should be greater than this. Mm. Mm. Okay, but I think that is the number less 3, I think. Because for example, if the element, if the n is equal 3, or what is the variable? N. Well, total it's equal 3. Okay. Okay. What is the 3? It's 5. No, in this case 0 it's 1. Is the number less 3 because is the number of elements that I need for the create an binary tree. Is binary tree or binary search tree. Now for example with here, even here, output is 5. Okay, if I put it's 5. Okay, I need to execute a few tests. What is test case? For example, with 15. This case is 15. Oh wow. Okay, 15. Oh yeah, is this? Okay, I think that it's enough only create the formula here, and yeah, only that. In this case is first is calculate. Okay, is n. I have n, but I think that is with longs. Oh no, integer. Okay, it's 2n integer a, it's equal n multiplied by 2 factorial. Okay, factorial function Java. No. Java don't have any function that help us with this. Really? Okay, I think that doesn't exist. I expect that exists, but well, integer a it's equal this, and now is the first with the second, the first with the second. For it's equal 1, while I it's minor than a, I plus plus, and here is I think that this should be have 1 because I need to multiply by itself, multiply equal by I. With this I have the factorial of the first what is here, yeah, that is this. Now I need calculus the next integer b, it's equal n plus 1, it's a factorial too. Okay, maybe it's much better if I only create a function, get a factorial, factorial. In this case, this receive an n, and essentially is this return error. And here it's only get factorial a, and here is long s it's equal get factorial of b. What is the next? N is multiplied by n factorial. Okay, I need the factorial of n. Long factor s t it's equal get factorial of n, and now is multiply s multiplied by t, and come on. Okay, and now is divide a between s, I think a between s no, it's error. Okay, and I need to save this in integer. Integer result it's equal this result long to int. It's with a simple int here. Even I think that I can put directly. No, this is wrong. Long to int Java. Oh, okay, int value. long int value dot int value and okay, I think that I need remove this return a long int value. What is a? This is n. Int okay, I change all the numbers by the integer. Why I output 4? No, I think that I am right here, but okay, here is not necessary the B, here is not necessary the A, it's N, the 3 are N, total it's equal to the error between s multiply or s multiplied by t. And now is total broadcasting as a int I don't know why I can't use my mouse. Okay. What is happening here? Why is not right my answer? Okay, the first is n plus 2, that is in the factorial. Now is n plus 1 in the factorial of this, and the next is the factorial of n. And next to is the first, that is r between s multiplied by t, return this. I think that maybe I am forgetting something. Why? Get factorial the n multiplied by 2. Now the next is n plus 1 factorial. Next to is factorial this, and is multiply s. And now is this divide between this. Okay, the factorial of 3 it's 1. Now it's 2. Okay, maybe I think that I need to or increase 1 or minor equal. Okay, with long values. With 15 doesn't works. With 11. Okay, no, I don't know what is happening here. But I think that okay, I will continue in another session this problem, but thanks for following this transmission, and I hope see you in the next. Bye bye.